everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will understand the most important concept in JMeter, that is thread group. Let's start. Firstly, understand what is thread group. In JMeter, thread group represent users. It tells JMeter how many user will test the application, how fast user will start, and how many times user will repeat the test. In simple words, thread group means virtual users. Let's see first point, number of threads. Number of threads means how many user you want to simulate. Example, if I set thread equal to 10, means JMeter will create 10 virtual users. Next point is ramp up period. Ramp up period means how much time JMeter take to start all user. Example, thread group equal to 10 and ramp up period equal to 10 seconds. That means one user start every 1 second. Ramp up period helps to avoid sudden load on the server. Next point is loop count. Loop count means how many times each user repeat the test. Example, loop count equal to 2. Each user will run the request 2 times. Mm, let's see the response. Firstly, save this JMX file and click on the view result tree and click on the run button. This is our expected response. That's it. Thank you.